Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Boxycharm base box for the month of March to go over with you. Super excited. This is one of my favorite beauty subscriptions. You do get 5 full-size items inside, one of the items in which you get to customize and choose. This is a $28 a month subscription box. So let's go ahead and get started and see what is inside. This is my box here. This is the standard box that it normally comes in. And then when we open it, we always get a card with the theme of the month, which is Game Changer. And then also we get a list of products with the prices on the back here and a little small description just to tell you a little bit about each product. And my box looks pretty full this month. Just a little look in there. Let's go ahead and start with my choice item was the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. So I was really excited to try this. I've tried a couple things from her line and so far I like everything. The box is pretty basic. It does have texture to it, which is nice. I like the little extra details. And this is the packaging here. I do like the fogged glass. It makes it look a little bit more fancy. I'm definitely excited to give this a try. This is a $26 value for this. Next item I'm pulling out is from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics, and it's the perfect duo. It has coverage, blendability, and precision. Looks like we get a sponge and a brush in this little set here. And this is valued at $30, so it's a little bit more high end, but let's check it out and see the quality of stuff. It is miniature for like on the go. For the brush anyways. The sponge looks like full size. Looks like a pretty nice sponge. I do like that it's red. I don't own a lot of red sponges. And this is the brush. It feels pretty nice, really soft. So this could be used for a couple different things I feel like, but I would use this for foundation myself personally. The next item in here I actually already own, so I'm probably going to re-gift this to a friend because I know someone who actually would appreciate this. It's the Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. This is a good product. I just already have one and it's still full, so I don't want to open another one. I'd rather gift this to somebody. This is valued at $19 for this lip mask here, and I'll just open it real quick just to show you what it looks like. Super cute, little tiny lip mask here. So there is that. And then let's see what else I got in here. I also got this Outre 8-in-1 CBD. Let's see, it says how many mists you should put depending on the thickness of your hair, so that's kind of nice to have that information. This is valued at $30, and this is a leave-in conditioner, so it does a lot of things. It helps detangle, fight frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. So this sounds like a cute little thing, and I love leave-in products for my hair. So I'm happy to get this, something different to get inside of my Boxycharm. And then I have from Frank & Body a Brightening C Mask. Let's see what this looks like here. Okay, this is actually bigger than what I thought it was going to be based on pictures that I've seen online. It's actually a pretty decent size. This is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitasks naturally and cruelty-free. It is packed with vitamin C to help reveal your brightest, clear skin. Okay, so there's a bit more information in there. It helps for vitamin C, helps with hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. So this is valued at $19.95, which I think is relatively affordable, and I kind of like how it has a little pump, almost like a facial cleanser. So I'll be definitely having to let everyone know how I think that works. I'm going to go ahead and put my total box value up in the corner here, and that is everything that I had for you today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.